Okay, in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to install the Livebinder tool onto your browser and also how to add websites into your Livebinder easily and quickly. So I'm still in edit mode here in my Livebinder. I'm just going to click on my username to get back to this home page. And down here on the left hand side you will see bookmark tool. Just click on that and all you have to do, now I'm in Google Chrome right now, so it might look a little differently than yours does, but all you have to do is follow these instructions. I would suggest you use Google Chrome because it always works best for me, but you need to just click on this and drag it up to your bookmark tool and it puts the little button right there and you are ready to go. So if I go back up here to my binders, okay, I have this my state history live binder. I can look, if I click on it again, I am not in edit mode, so this is what it looks like when it's just in regular mode. And to put it back in edit mode, I go up to view and I do edit. Now I do not even have to have my live binder open to put something in my tab. So actually I can just open a new Google Chrome window and you'll see that my live binder stays here. And so I'm just going to go do a Google search just because it's easy. Now one of my tabs said historical events, so I'm going to say historical events in Missouri history, and I can go, let's do Missouri history timeline. Okay, I don't know anything about this, but it looks good. I might want it. So I see this site, and all I'm going to do is click on my Livebinder tool, and it brings up what my tab, the URL, what my tab title is going to be. And then if I want to put a comment, I can. Here it lets me choose. If I had more than one Livebinder, I could actually choose which one. And then place the link as the main tab. No, I want it as a sub tab, and it shows me under which one, under which tab I've already created. I want it under historical events, and then right here it's going to add it. Now you have to let it go through this 10-second countdown so it can verify that it's an actual URL. Okay, and then just close it. Now I can toggle back to my Livebinder. I don't have to. I can continue to look for things and add things, but I'm going to toggle back over here and I am going to refresh my page. And if you look, I'm under historical events and there's the Missouri history timeline right there that I just put in there. Okay, so I need 5 of these things under each one. So if I wanted to go back and look for famous Missourians, okay, I might want to do this one, so I'm going to Livebinder that. Historic Missourians. Now I can change the title of this if I want to. I'm going to put Harry Truman as a sub-tab, and then under famous people, and then that's where he'll get added. Now I could have gone to a specific person's name and all of that, and that might have helped, but I'm just doing this to show you an example. Okay, now this actually went right back over to my Livebinder, which it sometimes does, and there he is right there. Now let me show you one more thing before I let you go. On 10 of these tabs, I want you to actually tell me how you would teach with this, an activity that you would do with the information that is seen on this website. So for example, this one, the Missouri history timeline, I am going to change the layout of this tab so I can write a note next to it so you can tell me your teaching strategy there. So click on the drop down and I am going to, actually sorry, it's not there anymore. I'm going to have clicked on my tab. I'm going to go to tab settings, and then down here I'm going to set current tab text layout, and I want this right here, the small text in the media. You don't have to choose that one, but choose one of these where you can type next to your website. So I can do a title here if I want to, but I don't have to. But click in this little box and I'm going to say, with this resource, I would have students create a pictorial timeline and set it up in our classroom. That's just off the top of my head, but that's what you do to type, and then that will stay there. And so even if I go over here, I can go back, and here it is, and there's my little activity. So that's how you do that, and you need to have 10 of those teaching strategies throughout those tabs that you have in your Livebinder. And that's all for that, and have fun. This is a great way to research, and you can even use this in your classroom later, and your kids can use it. So have fun.